Hello, and welcome to our training series on Quality Assurance in Textile and Garments Manufacturing. In today's video, we will talk about why factory-level testing matters, what testing is done at factory level, in-house testing versus third-party labs, setting up an in-house test lab, case study, color fastness testing, managing test documentation, lab accreditation and buyer compliance, challenges in factory testing. Factory-level testing is not just a requirement, it's a quality gate. It helps us solve problems internally, faster and cheaper. Why factory-level testing matters. Confirms product safety and quality before buyer review. Helps detect problems early, color fastness, strength. Reduces dependence on third-party labs for all tests. Builds buyer confidence in factory capabilities. What testing is done at factory level? Common in-house tests in textiles. GSM grams per square meter, fabric weight. Color fastness to wash, rub, light etc. Seam strength. Shrinkage after washing. Tear and tensile strength. Button snap pull test. In-house testing versus third-party labs. Feature. In-house testing. Third-party labs. Speed. Fast same day. Slower 1 to 3 days. Cost. Low internal. High per test. Buyer acceptance. May vary. Usually accepted. Control. High. Low. Best practice. Use in-house tests for quick screening and repeat tests. Use third-party labs for final buyer-required reports. Setting up an in-house test lab. Key requirements. 1. Trained QA technicians. 2. Calibrated equipment GS marketer, crockmeter, tensile tester. 3. Standard operating procedures. 4. Testing protocols as per buyer ISO ASTM standards. 5. Sample retention system for traceability. Case study, color fastness testing. Scenario. Buyer rejects shipment due to color bleeding in wash test. Actions taken. Factory sets up crocking and wash test in-house. SOP created using ISO 105 standards. QA performs tests on all batches before sewing starts. Result. Color fastness issues caught early, no more rejections. Managing test documentation. Maintain test logs and registers. Archive test results with date, batch, sample ID. Store tested samples for 6-12 months. Include test results in QA reports for production and buyers. Visual idea. Show a sample test report format. Lab accreditation and buyer compliance. Why accreditation matters. Proves lab follows proper standards. Helps get buyer approval for in-house testing. Improves trust and audit readiness. Example accreditation types. ISO 17025 for testing labs. Buyer-specific certifications, Walmart, Target, Decathlon lab approval. Challenges in factory testing. Machine calibration errors. Lack of trained personnel. Test result variation. Miscommunication of test limits. Solutions. Monthly calibration log. Regular technician training. Display pass-fail criteria clearly. Cross-check random results with external labs. Quick summary, Module 10. In-house testing ensures product meets quality specs. Factory labs save time and reduce rework cost. Test labs need trained staff, proper equipment, and SOPs. Document and archive all test results. Accreditation improves trust with buyers. Thank you for joining this training session. We hope you learned something valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in Module 11, Training QA Teams and Improving Efficiency.